Washington is burning tonight, not with fire, not with explosions, but with scandal, with accusations, with questions that could shake the White House to its core. I am Dhruti Athri, and you're watching Times XP. It all started on the high sea. A Venezuelan drug boat was attacked. Survivors, they report that there were some, and now allegations are exploding across the political spectrum. The claim is shocking. Fox News host Pete Hegseth supposedly ordered a second strike to kill the survivors. Yes, a strike aimed at those who had already survived. Hegseth had pushed back. That's right. He says that this is a fake news. This never happened. That's what he insisted. But the Democrats, they aren't really buying it. They are calling it a war crime. Basically, they are now demanding every tape, every record, every decision to release immediately. And the heat isn't stopping there. Right now, the White House has confirmed a second strike. But they are shifting responsibility here. Admiral Bradley is now in the hot seat. And Trump, he's stepping back, basically distancing himself. This is turning into a political earthquake, ladies and gentlemen. But here are the questions. Who really gave the order? Who did? Secondly, was it legal? Was it illegal? Are innocent lives at stake or not? And most importantly, who will take the responsibility here? Mr. Trump or Mr. Hegseth? Here, Republicans are calling for oversight, Democrats are calling for justice. And the public, they are watching, they are waiting, they are shocked. What just happened here? One thing is very clear. This is no ordinary political fight. This is about power. It's about war, morality, and accountability at the very highest level. Every tape that comes out, every testimony that surfaces, it could change the course of this scandal forever. Washington is on the edge. The White House is on the edge, and the world is watching, because if these claims are actually true, then this is more than politics. This is a war crime storm waiting to explode.